AI-powered swarm coordination, an integrated swarm control platform for unmanned mobility, a precision mass production system. With unprecedented innovation in swarm AI technology, PABLO AIR is leading a new era as a global aerospace and defense platform company, spanning from defense industries to various industrial inspection missions and drone art shows. PABLO AIR's core technology begins with swarm coordination. Just as countless birds communicate and fly in flocks without colliding, numerous drones are capable of swarm flight, making their own decisions and coordinating with each other without human intervention, thanks to swarm coordination technology. PABLO AIR has reached level 4 out of the 5 total stages of swarm coordination technology. This means that drones possess the autonomy to dynamically switch roles and reorganize themselves, powered by advanced mesh communication and AI-based situational prediction technologies. Beyond level 4, PABLO AIR is aiming for level 5, turning the dream technology of complete autonomous swarming into a reality. As swarm functions become more sophisticated, PABLO AIR has developed an innovative mobility-integrated control platform based on swarm flight, ground operation, and time synchronization technologies. This allows for the seamless management of diverse unmanned mobility units using different protocols on a single screen. PABLO AIR's innovation also shines in the hardware sector. We possess turnkey capabilities to handle all major processes from design and production to standardization of mil-spec equipment that requires rigorous verification. In particular, we can mass-produce various types of drones, including high-performance special-purpose unmanned vehicles that require precise machining, leaping forward as a true platform company. Amidst the rapidly changing international situation, the importance of the defense industry is higher than ever. In the increasingly sophisticated battlefields of the future, PABLO AIR's swarm loitering munitions combat system is evolving to master reconnaissance, attack, and interception. PABLO AIR's specialized defense brand, has completed the 3 pillars of future combat through its comprehensive lineup. We collect critical intelligence through the R-10S and R-20S swarm reconnaissance drones, which utilize wide-area flight capabilities and high-performance integrated sensors, while our S-10S and S-20S swarm loitering munitions specialized for rapid, low-cost mass production execute AI-driven high-angle attacks. Furthermore, our C-5S and C-10S swarm interceptor drones are dedicated to anti-drone hard-kill missions through high-speed operations powered by Swarm and Vision AI. Based on our capacity to stably produce up to tens of thousands of swarm drones annually, we will leap forward as a global top-tier company in defense unmanned systems. We also hold an industry-leading 78% market share in core naval combat system products and cabinet, providing turnkey solutions from design to delivery, and are leading the complete localization of equipment and parts to strengthen national security. Protecting the well-being of everyone worldwide, PABLO AIR's innovation goes beyond the battlefield toward everyday safety. Through InspecX, we have opened a new era of aircraft exterior inspection. The CES 2026 Innovation Award-winning InspecX, jointly developed with Korean Air, applies LiDAR-based SLAM technology to AI swarm drones, allowing them to operate stably even in GNSS-denied indoor environments. By identifying minute defects in places beyond human reach, we set a new standard for efficient and safe inspections, leading the industry through a hybrid inspection platform that combines drones and robots. To provide overwhelming visual technology, PABLO AIR introduced the PABLO X series. As the only company in Korea capable of performing fireworks drone shows, PABLO AIR has been recognized for its unrivaled innovation, having broken Guinness World Records several times. Moving forward, we will evolve into multimedia shows that integrate fireworks, music, and water performances, creating spectacular moments in night skies around the world. A revolution in aerial logistics that the world is watching. Through our drone delivery commercialization system, We reduce logistics time by 70% and present new standards for supply and safety. This technological pride leads to Urban Link X, a UAM integrated control platform, becoming a core driving force in establishing the standard for the Korean UAM ecosystem. The force connecting sky and earth as one organism, PABLO AIR leads the future of urban air mobility. Ultra-precision that allows for zero error is the core of our hardware. PABLO AIR possesses unique turnkey capabilities to internally handle everything from design to mass production of high-performance equipment that withstands extreme environments. Through thorough quality control and high-precision automated processes, we are realizing imagined technologies into perfect products. Through innovation in swarm AI technology spanning air, land, and sea, we will leap forward as a global aviation and defense platform company. We move forward without stopping, the work of turning today's impossible into tomorrow's everyday life. The future imagined by PABLO AIR is now becoming reality. Limits redefined. PABLO AIR.